SPA at New Mexico State University would like to present our latest innovative web tools used to track billing issues, which are now available on Finance Self-Serve. First, I would like to begin with providing some historical background on how billing issues were previously tracked by SPA. Initially, when billing issues arose, SPA would work with departments via email or phone to resolve them. In 2008, SPA began meeting with some of the larger departments such as PSL, Education, Engineering, Arts and Sciences, and Ag weekly, and then as time progressed, we began meeting monthly to discuss billing issues. Our first method of tracking issues came by way of a spreadsheet. Banner financial data was tracked and inputted manually into the spreadsheet. 2.5 to 3 years later, this process evolved to an Access database. The database consisted of tables containing banner data and input forms, allowing for our first effort of automated reporting. Data was kept current by exporting banner data to the Access database, and the billing issues were updated manually by the fiscal monitor. A PDF report of the billing issues was emailed to the department or research center prior to the scheduled meeting time. Although the Access database provided a solution for managing the issues as well as reporting capabilities, the database was relying on a copy of banner data rather than utilizing Oracle firsthand, and the report did not meet Cognos report standards. We are proud to demo a reporting solution that is accessible through Finance Self-Serve and available to departments through a Cognos report. It was completed successfully due to collaboration with ICT and ADM. This initiative supports improved research by automating a manual process to allow the researcher and the department to become more informed of billing issues and steps taken to resolve them. This also provides the opportunity to resolve billing issues in a timely manner. What is billing issues on Finance Self-Serve? Billing issues on Finance Self-Serve is a web design tool that provides communication between SPA and departments on any billing issues that may arise. It improves our current manual notification process. As mentioned previously, our manual process consisted of tracking billing issues on an Access database that was refreshed prior to every department meeting to ensure financial information was up to date. Some of the features are My NMSU sign-on, Cognos reports available by responsible org, grant number, or fiscal monitor, and the ability to view billing issues at any time. SPA has been working with ICT on the Billing Issues project since June 12, 2013. We looked at different options in Banner that we considered as possibilities to track billing issues. Some of the options we considered were using the supplemental data engine, Photext, and user-defined field in Fragrant. The use of those options was limited for the intended purpose of the billing issues, so we decided to go with an Oracle table solution. The project was recently completed on October 15, 2014. Benefits of billing issues on Finance Self-Serve. Billing issues are documented and tracked until resolved. Data is accessible to all departments through a Cognos report. It summarizes award information to better analyze issues, assists with keeping track of burn rates. It provides a valuable audit trail, and it eliminates the Access database. Here is a print screen of the SPA billing issues on Finance Self-Serve, which is accessible only to SPA. Billing issues for a specific award can be entered or viewed by selecting a particular grant, responsible org, or fiscal monitor. The grant selection option shows resolved or unresolved issues for a specific grant that is selected. The responsible org selection shows all awards with billing issues that have been resolved or are unresolved for a given responsible org. The fiscal monitor option shows all resolved or unresolved billing issues for a specific fiscal monitor. The resolve selection for any of the displays mentioned previously lists billing issues that have occurred and the action taken to resolve them. The unresolved selection displays current unresolved issues for a particular award. Here is a print screen of what the billing issues on Finance Self-Serve by grant selection looks like. Once a specific grant is selected, the billing issues will appear. The date the issues were documented will appear next to the note. The resolve column will indicate whether the issue is resolved or unresolved. The action column allows for updates to specific issues to be made or for billing issues notes to be deleted if needed. When a specific org is selected, the billing issues will appear. The grant number will appear on the left side of the billing issues. The date the issues were documented will appear next to the billing issues notes. The resolve column will indicate whether the issue is resolved or unresolved. The action column allows for updates to specific issues if needed. When a specific fiscal monitor name is selected, the billing issues will appear. The grant number will appear on the left side of the billing issues. The date the issues were documented will appear next to the billing issues notes. The resolve column will indicate whether the issue is resolved or unresolved. The action column allows for updates to specific issues if needed. This option is typically used by the fiscal monitor to provide them with more information on the outstanding issues or resolution to billing issues for sponsored awards they oversee. The Cognos RA380 is a report that can be run centrally and by departments to provide information on outstanding billing issues. Departments will have access to run these reports prior to scheduled meetings with SPA. These reports should reflect the latest updates to billing issues. Only grants with billing issues will appear. Please note that the report will print one page per grant number. Fund and index information has been included on this report at the request of the Research Center and departments, which will cause the report in some cases to be several pages long. When printing, we recommend this report be saved in PDF format first. In PDF format, it will print all the data together without needing to change orientation or delete page breaks. The Cognos RA380 report provides grant detail in the header. The grant ID, grant title, grant status, and period of performance are displayed on the left side of the header. The right side of the header shows the fiscal monitor assigned to the grant, responsible org, and the awarding agency. The funds and indices assigned to the grant are listed under the header. The billing issue detail is displayed under the fund and index information. The rollout schedule for the billing issues project is anticipated in 3 phases. The initial phase will be implementing the billing issues web tools in SPA on the week of October 20th. The next phase, which we anticipate completing by the end of November, will be to train the departments we currently meet with on running the Cognos report. The final phase is anticipated to be completed by the end of the year, and it involves sending out an email notification and presentation on the billing issues project to all of the NMSU research community. In conclusion, the billing issues on Finance Self-Serve partnered with Cognos automates and streamlines a manual process to provide efficient quality improvement, transparency, documented billing issues history and resolution, and it's available in real time through Cognos to our customers.